You can't be, this is one of those other major keys to success. And one of the things that I see most people falling victim to. You'll get so committed to a product or service that you have such a tunnel vision that you become more about the product or the person, whoever you got involved with, whatever their business is. You get so involved in that you miss the main point, the main focus, which is the money. You're trying to earn an income. But you're thinking that you're going to earn an income by feeding people this thing that somebody else told you is good for them to eat. You know what's good for you to eat. So if you kind of thinking to yourself, that's not really something that's too good for me to eat. I don't eat that, but yeah, I'm going to sell that to somebody else. That's going to be a pretty hard sell. So one of the biggest keys is you have to not be so committed to a particular product or service or a particular mentor or coach just because they get on and they do all these trainings and they make it sound good.